NASA discovered a habitable planet just 4 light-years away, Proxima Centauri b. Scientists say it could support human life. The media calls it our second Earth. But here's what they're not telling you. We'll never reach it. The conditions there would kill you instantly, and the entire thing might just be impossible hype. Today, I'm exposing the truth NASA buried in the fine print.
In 2016, astronomers discovered Proxima Centauri b orbiting the closest star to our Sun. It's in the Goldilocks zone, where temperatures allow liquid water. Similar size to Earth, potentially rocky surface. NASA and ESA celebrated it as humanity's best chance for a second home. News outlets exploded with headlines about colonizing our nearest neighbor. Billions in funding proposals followed. But here's the problem. Being in the habitable zone doesn't mean it's actually habitable.
Here's what NASA doesn't emphasize. First, the radiation. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star that unleashes massive solar flares constantly. Radiation levels are 250 times stronger than Earth receives. Any atmosphere the planet once had was likely stripped away billions of years ago. Without atmosphere, there's no protection, no breathable air, no liquid water, just a dead, irradiated rock. Second, it's tidally locked. One side permanently faces the star in scorching heat, the other side frozen in eternal darkness. No day-night cycle, extreme temperature differences. Third, potential toxic atmosphere. If it does have an atmosphere, it's likely thick with carbon dioxide or sulfuric compounds, nothing like Earth. Fourth, the gravity and magnetic field are unknown. Without a magnetic field, solar radiation penetrates everything. These aren't minor issues, these are fundamental deal breakers for human survival. But let's say the planet was perfect. Here's the real problem: distance. 4.2 light-years sounds close in space terms. In reality, that's 25 trillion miles. With our fastest current spacecraft, it would take 6,300 years to reach it. Even if we develop technology to travel at 10% the speed of light, which doesn't exist and would cost trillions, it's still a 40-year one-way journey. No way to send supplies, no way to return, no communication. Messages would take over 4 years each way. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot propose tiny light sail probes, but those can't carry humans. The brutal truth? Proxima Centauri b is a scientific curiosity, not a colonization target.
So why does NASA hype it? Funding. Public interest drives congressional budgets. Exciting headlines mean more money for space programs. I'm not saying space exploration is bad, it's incredible. But we need honesty, not false hope. Earth is our only home for centuries to come. Instead of fantasizing about impossible escape plans, we should focus on protecting the planet we have. If this investigation opened your eyes, subscribe to The Curious Curious, where we expose the truth behind scientific hype every week. Hit that bell, drop a comment telling us what topic we should investigate next, and share this with anyone fascinated by space. They deserve the real story, not the marketing. Because real science doesn't need exaggeration. The truth is incredible enough. This is The Curious Curious. See you in the next one.